those hardest to love need it most. I watched our bodies.
Din il-kantanta Ingliża ta' discendenza Maltija Lorraine Aquilina, imwielda minn missier Malti li emigra lejn l-Ingilterra flimkien ma' familtu ta' etta żgħira. Kantanta li qed tagħmel suċċess kbir fl-Ingilterra. Lorraine tinsab f'pajjiżna biex tieħu sehem fil-Farsins Beer Festival, festival ta' mużika u spettaklu li qed isir fil-ġonna ta' Taqali. Hi kienet mistiedna wkoll fuq Radio 101 għall-programm Mużika għal Fresko ta' Christian Azzopardi u ħadna l-opportunità niltaqgħu magħha biex nitkellmu dwar il-karriera tagħha.
Just an insane journey, really. It's just been based on the internet and being able to interact with the people that have liked the music, and it's just built really organically and slowly, which has been really good.
Ta' kull sena Lorraine u l-familja tagħha jżuru pajjiżna għal vakanza f'Għawdex biex jiltaqgħu mal-qraba li għadhom jgħixu f'pajjiżna. X'taħseb Lorraine dwar pajjiżna?
I love Malta. It's actually my favourite place in the world. It's so, like, the weather is amazing in the summer, amazing beaches, just beautiful landscapes, and everyone here is just really lovely as well. I just love it, really.
Lorraine ilha l-aħħar snin tkanta waqt kunċerti sold out madwar l-Ingilterra, tagħmel suċċess u tikseb il-popolarità, kif ukoll tellet kunċerti barra mill-Ingilterra. Mhux biss tkanta l-kanzunetti tagħha, imma wkoll tiktibhom. U minkejja li għandha biss 18 sena, Lorraine diġà rċiviet tifħir minn numru ta' kantanti rinomati bħal Ellie Goulding, Jake Bugg, Jamie Foxx u l-grupp Mumford & Sons. Is-suċċess tagħhu rifless fl-ewwel extended play li ħarġet bl-isem ta' Fools li fuq YouTube segwewh aktar minn 400,000 persuna.
Friends, I watched us as we changed.
U ftit tal-ġimgħat ilu ħarġet ukoll extended play Sinners.
Only you. And if we're sinners, then it feels like heaven to me.
Minkejja s-suċċess li kisbet sissa, Lorraine taf li għandha triq twila qudiemha u tħares il qudiem lejn il-futur tagħha fix-xena mużikali.
I feel really lucky to be where I am. I definitely feel like I have a long way to go before I've reached any kind of peak. But I'm excited about the future. I think a lot of doors have opened from the Fools EP and the Sinners EP, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to carry on doing what I love doing. And yeah, just if I get to do that every day, I'll be happy. So.
Lorraine xtaqet tgħaddi wkoll messaġġ lil Maltin.
Thank you for having me, and thank you for being so wonderful, and I love you.
You showed me feelings I've never felt before.